Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Princess Peach. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes with two large curves up and back down. Now inside, let's add another curve to thicken it up slightly like this. Now underneath at the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And then an oval inside each eye. Now inside each oval, let's add a circle on the top left. Now underneath for the pupil, let's draw another oval down and back up. And color these both in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw 3 eyelashes out on each eye. And then a small curve on top for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop out and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 large curves down in the center, meeting at a point. Then on each side, let's draw a curve going out. Now from the end of this line, we're going to step in and let's draw a curve down and in for the side pieces of hair. And then another curve next to it. Now to close off the end, let's draw a point up in the center. Now underneath each piece of hair, let's draw a curve down, meeting in the center for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face here, let's hop in and let's draw a curve for the nose. And then underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a bump up. And then a curve across underneath. Then let's add a small line on each side. And then curve it down and back up. Then add one more bump at the bottom for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop out and draw the ears. On each side, let's draw a curve out and back in. Then underneath, let's add the earrings with a large circular curve like this. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop to the top and let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a large wavy line out to the left and out to the right. And then curve it back in underneath. Now underneath on each side, let's draw another curve out. And then curve it back in on top of each ear. Now for the next section of the hair, let's draw a wavy line down, bringing it up at the bottom. And then 2 curves back into the center. And that's it for the hair. Lastly, let's add the crown on top. Let's start by drawing a large oval on top in the center. And then let's draw a curve around it. Now let's add 2 more gems on the sides by drawing a curve up and down. And the same on the right side. And then from the top, let's draw a curve down. Now on top of each gem, let's draw a line up. Angle it back in. And 1 more point up in the center. And lastly, for the crown, in between the gems here, let's draw a line across. And that's it for Princess Peach. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!